Hi, my name's Shane, and welcome to Bettertotes and Gardens doing a shameless self-promotion of workers' lunch at the Last Chance. This is my teaspoon collection. Cooper Pedy, lots of train stuff, some America stuff. Never been to any of these countries, just collect the refuse of people that have. That's it. That's Jared Good. You can see it's a Friday, hence Friday is comfy day in the office. He looks like a real, he looks like where he's from. Very Frankston.
Right, okay.
This is Jake, he's on the phone.
I probably can't get there today.
Probably should stop filming.
Everyone, we should stop filming. Here we go. We're going to have lunch at Last Chance for $12. We're just walking down to Last Chance to have lunch. It's Friday. It's $12 workers' lunch, and we obviously work. But look, we missed it. It's all right. Well, I was going to hang shit on the Catholic Church, so they had to fix it because the kids were getting out up the top. No,
it's still up there.
There it is. I'll fix it at that aquarium. But anyway, we're just walking down to Lasties. Look at this beautiful view Last Chance has. We're only a couple of blocks from there. The centre of Melbourne. But we're walking from the office down there. Do like $12 steaks and $12 burgers, $12 schnitzels. Can't we, Leanne?
Yeah.
There's Lewis. See, it's a neighbourhood, small neighbourhood. We're all friendly and we all get along. It's Lewis from Queen Vic Market Tattoo. He's not in it. So we said to Lewis, do you want to do some shameless self-promotion? He said no.
At Vic Market
At
Tattoo.
Vic Market Tattoo.
Hey, you said no.
See? Anyway, it's just down like, what is it, 2 blocks from Lasties?
2 blocks?
2 blocks. Get fucking tattooed and then go get drunk.
Give me some money so I can buy some beers.
That's it. That's yeah.
That's how it works.
See? Anyway, he's not coming for lunch. He's
Bettertotes.
Bettertotes. No. I reckon we'll be able to film a little bit of a fight in the traffic at some point. People are really angry today. On the fucking ground. Someone had destroyed a go-get.
I'm really cozy because I've got a seagull jumper on, so...
What's this? The chief chef Joey. It's his band. Playing tonight. And we're going to get cheeseburgers off him now. See? That's how fucking small our neighbourhood is.
That's how he keeps his riffs so greasy.
That's it. Hey! Well, we're going to see Joseph now, so there he is, mixing the screen. And shout out for Joey.
On the old La Paqueta.
Oh, the old La Paqueta, yeah. But isn't that nice? We're just kind of walking along, we see everyone. Ran into Vic Market, we saw Lewis, we saw Joey's poster, saw some human shit that we didn't get, saw some other things, some go-get. He's a snake catcher. Holy shit. So Jim's pest control and snake catching. Jim, you're a fucking psycho, bro. Or pest. Alright, I'll just wait to get served.
Jesus Christ, Aaron.
This is what we're here promoting selfishly, shamelessly, not selfishly, shamelessly promoting with Darby, who's gonna, Darby's not talking.
I don't know, I just had a camera shoved in my face. I'm not prepared.
I can get closer.
Yeah, come in.
There's a few people here. Got double chef, but one's at trade school, and the other's just cooking. But yeah, what have we got on the menu?
Oh, sure. So we got the Friday lunch special on today. We are doing beef schnitzels and cheeseburgers. Both come with chips, and it's $12 on a Friday.
See?
Not bad.
I wasn't lying, and Leanne's already ordered apparently. Saying that you ordered. But $12 pints as well, does that mean $12 pints and Diet Coke?
$12 pints of water. $12 pints, except $10 pints. $10 as always.
Do you reckon I can get close to your face?
Oh, I got Jared Good eating that good.
Hello.
See?
Really good $12 workers lunch.
Oh, see, this is the shameless. I love the shameless
So
stuff.
shameless.
We're just like, come eat. Like, there's people here, other people, but
They're all workers.
they're all workers, except for maybe Leanne, wherever she is.
Where is Leanne?
I don't know. Is that enjoyable though? Like, it's a nice place. Oh, you're drinking beer as well, Jared Good?
Yeah.
At work.
Yeah, don't tell the bosses.
I'll go.
Well, we got the Coca-Cola looking one.
Yeah, so yeah. Should go interview Joseph.
I know it's cold outside, but not get nice.
Joseph, do you want to be on the video?
Hell yeah, I do.
What are you cooking?
Cooking up some burgers and I'm about to drop beef schnitz for you, Shane.
A beef schnitz for me.
Hell yeah.
Tell everyone about your perfect pickle placement.
My perfect pickle placement.
Yeah.
Cover the top bun. If you're not covering the top bun, you're doing something wrong. I don't know what to tell you.
There you go. You do everything vegan and veggie and meat, don't you?
Sure do.
Right, we've got the chips frying. How's that fry working out for you?
Oh, it's back in business. Tell you what.
Had to fix it, didn't we? Got the good gravy on.
Got the gravy on.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, flip these bad boys.
Wow.
Whoa, it's so bright with that camera light in here. I'm not used to that.
Not used to being able to see.
Yeah. Roger comes in, like, wiping bits off the wall from the night before. I'm like,
I can see that.
I didn't even see that because there's no light in it.
Here we go. Dinner. Lunch. $12. Shameless. Shameless. Excellent.
And remember, when handling raw meat, glove up.
Glove up, buddy. Hey? There we go. What did Leanne order for me?
He's got a beef schnitzel and a cheeseburger.
Oh, we're sharing, that's right.
Yeah.
Can't have anything in my life, Jason.
Nah.
Nothing. Did you really go and count on that cheese? So that's, how many burgers? You want 4 burgers there, aren't you?
This is 4 burgers.
Yeah, so you get double meat, double cheese, perfect pickle placement.
And I don't know what you did last night, Shane, but I got absolutely slammed on burger night.
Really?
Yeah.
Excellent, that's what we want.
Railed.
So that, you got those good onions. They are good onions too.
This is my favourite kind of onion.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. He's onto it. Getting that dinner ready. Make that dinner sing.
Yeah, yeah.
$12. Can't say nothing. Anything else interesting? How's your banana ketchup?
Banana ketchup's great. I think it's awesome.
See?
2 people ordered it.
Lovely. Oh, that's Joseph in the kitchen.
Actually, there was another table that ordered all regular cheeseburgers, except they all ordered a side of banana.
Oh,
So it was like 4 of them at the table.
gotta love that. See, everyone. Oh. There you go, right up close.
Just a few extra shots of the finger.
Dip it in.
Bargains. Beef schnitzel.
You really flashed that up a bit.
He did flash it up, didn't he? So it's this flashed all the time. See the onions and the parsley?
Have you ever seen that?
Gravy. Leanne, what do you think? Let's go Leanne on camera eating.
Yeah, KT.
It's like food. Look how good
I
this
don't
is.
like eating in public.
Oh, really good.
Burgers in my life. I know the answer. I know what's good.
You know what's good?
I know what a good cheeseburger is. Just a good cheeseburger.
Definitely a good cheeseburger. Best
I've eaten a whole
cheeseburger I've had.
cheeseburger. And they're big cheeseburgers.
Jared, do you reckon I can get this in that empty pint?
Let's find
Well,
out.
I can't see it, so I'll use Leanne's big head. Now go down a bit, Leanne, so I can't see. Someone's going to have to clean that up tomorrow recording Jared Goon.
Me. I'm
Yeah,
going to
not
clean that
her.
up.
Fine,
What do you mean?
me.
I'm doing it right now.
Thanks, guys.
Alright, now I can see. Oh,
Shocking.
got no depth perception.
Oh, that's America. What is it? Kiwi something?
We're going to be here all day.
Oh, I got
Get him. Gary.
Anyway, yeah, there we go. We're going to review the food, Leanne.
Yeah, tell us. Tell us what you really think.
Out of 10,
Yeah.
That's what he's
10 thumbs up.
10 thumbs up out of 10
That's
stars.
really good. And I'm a bit of a diva.
See, the bit I like is he gets some of the cheese on the side and he burns it. That bit's good, isn't it?
I'm a bit of a diva with the food that I eat.
But you know what the thing I like about it, Leanne?
What shame.
Come and eat with you is that we both get schnitzel and we both get cheeseburger.
We can share. And I,
Jared
just,
Goon only got cheeseburger.
and I like just being able to have lunch with my boyfriend Shane.
I like having lunch
Boyfriend again.
with Jared Goon.
I'm Beyonce.
And I like having it with Jared Goon.
I like having lunch with my friends and my favourite person in the world. She's not here, Mishy, but my second favourite person, Shane.
It's good. Anyway, that's what we do on Fridays.
Come and join us.
Come have it. Don't know how many people work with in the vicinity of Last Chance that watch this, but we know it. Before we get to the end of this, have a look at this. What the f*** is that?
Machete.
And there's someone in the back of that. That's f***ing, oh, it's a Jeep. Whoa. Fury Gravity. F***ing A. Anyway, that was the $5 lunch at Last Chance. So, come have it. It's really nice. I enjoy it. This is open. Last Chance. That's food. That's it. It's Bettertotes and Gardens, shameless self-promotion of a thing we do. Just one of the many things. Do the follow us on Instagram thing, like, comment, subscribe. Look, now we're about to go to the market, over to the market. Right here in the CBD, the Last Chance, open to 7 AM Friday and Saturday nights. Best f***ing live music venue in the world. Easy. And comes with these two added idiots. You got anything to say at all?
Come to lunch on Fridays.